What's up, guys? I'm here with Tinashe Hair today again. It's my second time trying out Tinashe Hair, and I'm so excited because this wig is bomb. Okay, we're working with a lace front wig today. I have a little drawstring bag here. It says human hair, high quality, best choice. Let's see what they put in this. You know me love the goodies them already. I got a nice pair of lashes. It's a mink eyelash, 3D mink eyelash. Alright, a wig cap, a bonnet. Always love getting bonnets, honestly. I have even a headscarf. That's really nice. And I have like a flyer here with their social media. And they do have the artist Tinashe on this. So that's all the goodies now. This is the hair, okay? This is some inches. We got 30 inches working with today. This is a 13x4 lace front wig. It is 200% in density. Okay. Alright. And we have some nice curly hair today. Oh my gosh. Man, I don't want to just hear the excitement in my voice. But I'm happy. Have I ever gotten curly hair this long? I can't recall. I've gotten like straight or body wave hair this long, but like not curly. And it's nicely layered, as you can see, like your shorter portions. It's nicely layered, so I'm happy. This is a cap construction. Yeah, nice lace front, and it has 4 combs in total, 3 in the front, 1 in the back. Adjustable straps, so you can tighten it however you like. And a piece of lace in the back. So that's it for how it looks. Feel as if I want the lace to be a little bit more like tinted, so I'm gonna use just a little bit of like foundation to put on the lace there.
When I'm up through the night, I can't turn down the noise, say all the words out of my mind about who I'm supposed to be. I start to believe I can't get it right. Remember the days I let slip away, they were simpler to.
You know it's curly here, but oh my gosh, it's so long. Today I'm back with my Got2b. I have another full bottle. I'm almost running out of this one. I'm gonna use Got2b today because it has a really strong hold. I must admit it's stronger than the olive oil to me. As I said, when I use the olive oil again, I'm going to pair it with the gel, the grip gel. So stay tuned for that. Don't get me wrong, you know, the horse it's good, like it's good, okay, but not today.
When I'm up through the night, I can't turn down the noise, say all the words out of my mind about who I'm supposed to be. I start to believe I can't get it right. Remember the days I let slip away, they were simpler times. Mama told me before you leave, if there's only one thing you remember from me, child, when you're out on your own, a million miles from home, feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders, child, don't forget who you are, don't lose your head or your heart. I'll bet my life on your stars, you'll be dancing, dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. Dancing on the moon. Dancing on the moon. Maybe my compass was wrong, and I'm still on my way closer each day to where I belong. Mama told me before you leave, if there's only one thing you remember from me, child, when you're out on your own, a million miles from home, feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders, child, don't forget who you are, don't lose your head or your heart. I bet my life on your stars, you'll be dancing, dancing on the moon. I bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. I bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. I bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. Dancing on the moon.
So I got glammed, obviously. And you guys saw I did my baby hair, did a little, you know, finessing with that. So before I even comb it out, I'm gonna go ahead and get my hair wet. I'm in my outfit because I'm going out to eat. I'm going out to have dinner. So I did a side part because that's how I was feeling. I've been doing a lot of center parts from the other day, so I said, you know what, let me do side part. I'm gonna go ahead and get this wet and I'll come right back. So guys, I'm literally rubbing some conditioner in there. This is so pretty. So pretty. And I'm gonna take my ORS Mousse.
I can't turn down the noise, tear all the worries out of my mind. About who I'm supposed to be, I start to believe I can't get it right. Remember the days I let slip away, they were simpler times. Mama told me before you leave, if there's only one thing you remember from me, child, when you're out on your own, a million miles from home, feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders, child, don't forget who you are.
Guys, what I can tell for sure is this is certainly a lot of hair, but it feels so good. Of course, because it's wet, you know, it looks like this, but once it's dry, it's like it's so voluminous. It's so nice. I'm gonna take some of my olive oil hairspray to just judge the front. Guys, I'm going to be sure to put all the specifications on this hair down below in my description box, so you guys can go ahead and get it if you want. This is so nice. Follow me on Instagram, you can go ahead and see my full outfit. And I love the fact that this is super long. I always have like the regular lengths, like 22, 24. Give this video a thumb up if you liked it. I love the install. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching and stay tuned for more videos. Tinashe here, thank you again for sponsoring this video. I am like so grateful. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. So bye.
Shoulders, child, don't forget.